The wind never stopped that day. It came from the sea, wild, endless, alive. At the Giant's Causeway, waves crashed against the basalt columns like thunder from another world. Each stone looked as if it had been shaped by gods, not time. And maybe in a way, it was. Science says these stones were born 60 million years ago, when ancient lava met the cold sea and cracked into thousands of hexagonal pillars. But standing there, with salt on my face and the roar of the Atlantic all around me, it felt easier to believe the legend. That Finn McCool, the great Irish giant, built this path across the sea to challenge his Scottish rival, Benandonay. They say when Finn saw how huge the Scotsman truly was, he fled, and his clever wife disguised him as a baby. When Benandonay saw the child, he panicked, thinking the father must be a monster even greater than himself. He ran back across the causeway, tearing it apart behind him. What's left today are the giant's steps, fragments of pride, strength, and fear. I tried to fly the drone, but the wind had other plans. Every gust felt like a warning, a reminder that some places don't like to be disturbed. I fought to keep it steady, hands freezing, heart racing. And when I finally landed, it felt like the mountain had decided to spare me. Later, I drove east, following the cliffs until Fairhead appeared. A wall of stone rising straight from the sea. The wind was worse there, powerful enough to pull your breath away. Below, waves exploded against the rock, white spray vanishing into mist. It's said that Fairhead was named for a tragic legend, a young woman who leapt from the cliffs for love, her spirit forever bound to the wind that howls across the coast. Others say it's where giants once stood, guard over the northern seas, watching the horizon for their long-lost kin. Whatever the truth, Fairhead feels like the edge of the world, the kind of place where myths still whisper through the grass, where every gust reminds you how small you are and how beautiful that can be. I stood there, between two worlds, the causeway's perfect stones and Fairhead's raw cliffs, both carved by time, both shaped by power. The wind roared again, and I realized I wasn't fighting it anymore. I was just listening. Sometimes nature doesn't need you to speak. It just wants you to feel. This is above the clouds.